Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the Xbox game bar because it's the built-in recorder that works reliably. Open Settings Gaming and turn on Xbox game bar. Once done, make sure your microphone permissions are allowed. Close background apps that steal CPU so your recording stays smooth. Then focus the exact app or window you want to capture and press Win+G to open the overlay. This immediate action puts you in capture mode and prepares controls for recording and audio levels. Next, configure what gets recorded and why those settings matter. Open the Capture widget and pick resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 fps balances size and clarity, while 60 fps suits fast motion. Then set audio sources so you record system sounds, your microphone, or both depending on narration needs. Once configured, press Win+Alt+R to begin. You can toggle the mic live with Win+Alt+M. These steps control output quality and save you time when editing. To finish, stop the capture with Win+Alt+R and immediately check videos /captures for your MP4 file. This default location keeps things simple. Once saved, open it in Photos or Clipchamp to trim or export, and make sure file size and frame rate match your needs. If nothing was recorded, make sure Xbox game bar and background recording are enabled and that your account has storage and microphone permissions. If problems persist, restart your PC and retry to clear transient conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.